everybody. You know, sometimes the internet here is pretty bad. So it's so bad they actually bring out these old Apple IIe's. Look at it. Because the internet is so slow it actually clogs up our regular laptops, so we have to operate on these. You know, just look at these computers, these Apple IIe. I would say this is probably something that came out like around 83, 82. These things cost more than a car. These things cost $20,000 easily in 1983 money. I mean, that say would be like $100,000 with inflation. You know, inflation is completely out of control. Things are going crazy. Pretty soon, the only thing you're gonna be able to do is drink generic. Yep. This is a generic ginger ale, but it's called Bowl & Basket. You see, generic kind of has a bad connotation, so Shoprite doesn't want to have people call it. We don't want to call it Shoprite. We want to call it Bowl & Basket, so we can charge more. Yeah, who the fuck are they kidding? Talk about things that are obsolete. Rolodex. Does anyone actually still use Rolodexes? I mean, you could just pick up your phone and use a Rolodex these days. But seriously, with all the inflation going, even this won't be enough to buy this fucking Bowl & Basket shit. But we're gonna see how this Bowl & Basket soda is. It's a generic soda from Shoprite. Bowl & Basket, Bowl & Basket, Bowl & Basket. Ah, there we go. Let me loosen that top off. Brand, boom, 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 ah, ah, ah. You know, you can almost tell right away this is gonna suck. Look how clear and watered down it looks. It's got too much ginger taste. There's no sweetness. There's no anything to this. This is not ginger ale. This is ginger fail. I'm gonna give this a 5.1.
That's a good way to end it.